Lucy Maina is popularly referred to by her stage name Becky and is the lead character in the local Citizen TV series. The popular local soap opera has gained an enviable fanbase with millions turning in to watch the masterpiece every week. Born and raised in Nairobi, she is the only girl in a family of 5 children. During an interview with Pulse, she revealed that she started her education at Green Cottage Academy in Kiambu. She went on to join Gathirimu Girls for her high school education and developed an interest in acting. After high school, it became hard for her to choose between acting and her love for travel and tourism. She chose the latter but soon realized she wanted to act. The actress took the first step by going for auditions and got a role in a church play in 2019. She auditioned for a role in Auntie Boss but was not picked. Luckily, she was called back for a different role and her journey on TV commenced. Apart from Auntie Boss, she featured on Crime and Justice and on 2 Showmax's shows named Murder Camp and Amandla. Her role as Becky is one of the biggest and toughest shows she has had to do. During the auditions, she had to give her all. This intensified during the shooting, which comprised of 2 months of shooting 2 seasons. She hails from a humble family of 5 siblings in which she is the only daughter. Her 4 brothers are scarce in the limelight. Credible sources allege that Lucy was born and raised in Nairobi City County. She attended Green Cottage Academy in Kiambu County and later Gathirimu Girls Secondary School for her secondary education. While in college, Becky majored in travel and tourism studies while exploring her passion for acting. All along, she looked up several mother figures, among them Jackie Matubia, Binda Weremu, Sarah Hassan and Viola Davis.